A log cabin is basically a solid wall construction building. So it's made up of a solid piece of timber, each wall stacking one on top of the other. Generally spruce, which is a slow-grown Scandinavian, Northern European pine-type timber. Very close grain density, so it's a really nice, stable material. Comes in different thicknesses, from 45 up to 70 is the standard, and again we can go even bigger if needed. This is showing you a cutout of our linear wall construction. Linears are a unique type of construction and building unique to Garden Affairs. They're highly insulated, incredibly versatile buildings that we can produce in any increment by the millimetre up to single room sizes of 4 metre by 5 metre. Benefits such as a choice of cladding materials, so you have either larch or spruce as your exterior cladding, which can be painted or stained. You then have a vapour barrier between the cladding and a rigid 11mm OSB construction to give stability to the structure. Exterior studding and this multi-foil blanket insulation provides a really good level of breathable insulation within the building. And it's finished off with a cavity for all your cabling or plumbing requirements, with a very nice timber or grooved MDF finish internally. This is a section of our Proline buildings, the latest range for Garden Affairs. This is something really unique and different. Our Tricoya cladding is finished with a V-groove to make it look like a traditional tongue and groove cladding. The great thing about Tricoya is it will last up to 50 years externally. So the idea behind the Prolines is we have a panel system which has an inner and outer. We have the outer, which is our Tricoya. We have a really high specification insulation internally. And then on the inside face, we have the 11mm OSB to add rigidity. Between each joint, we also have a compression seal. Here we have our cavity, which allows us to put any electrics, plumbing, and recess our electrical sockets. And it's finished with a really nice MDF V-grooved painted interior.